Alright y'all, today we're going to be doing a Christmas duck breast. But anyway, for this, we obviously need duck breast, we need brown sugar, cinnamon, some cranberry juice, white wine vinegar, dried cranberries, a little bit of molasses, and a little bit of ginger. But before we get to cooking, we're on the road to 500 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, so in a bowl we're going to drop in 2.5 cups of cranberry juice. We're going to take a tablespoon of ginger, half a tablespoon of cinnamon, then 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Just going to go ahead and give this a good mix. Then we're going to take our duck breast and we're just going to put this in there. And we're just going to go ahead and cover, put it in the fridge and let it marinate overnight. I'll bring you back tomorrow. Alright y'all, it's the next day. We're going to take our duck breast out of our marinade. Then we want to pat these dry. And then we're just going to go ahead and score this fat. And now in a cold pan, we're going to go with that skin, that fat side and skin and fat side down. And it has to be a cold pan. Don't put any oil in there, that fat's going to render down. But it has to be a cold pan just to make sure that it cooks properly. If you go into a hot pan, you're going to burn the skin. And then we're going to cook that on a medium heat for about 6-7 minutes. Alright y'all. So after 6 to 8 minutes, we're going to go ahead and pull them off. And if you cook it on a little too high of a heat, that fat does darken up. Take and set these to the side. We're going to go ahead and drop in 2 cups of cranberry juice. We're going to take half a cup of our dried cranberries. And we're just going to get this mixed up and bring this back up to a simmer. We're going to go with 1/4 cup of our rice wine vinegar. Then we're going to add in a teaspoon of our molasses. Once that comes up to a simmer, we're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're going to go ahead and add our duck back to it. And then we're going to just cover, let that simmer for about another 5 or so minutes. After about 5-6 minutes, we're just going to go ahead and take these out again. Then we're just going to let this reduce to a nice saucy form. Alright y'all, now we've given that sauce a little bit to thicken up. We let the duck rest for a few minutes, then sliced it up. Now we're just going to spoon some of our sauce on there. And there y'all have it. A holiday duck breast.